Hello and welcome to the PT Board Survey Form tutorial. In this video, we will walk through how to create a survey form under the Form and Payment feature on the PT Board website. Many schools use this form to host their annual elections. First, to create a new form, click Manage Form and create a new form. Then, in the Form Type drop-down, select Survey Form. This type of form is useful when you want to poll your users and understand their sentiment around various ideas or options. Enter the title of the form here. Optionally, you may also add a description. If you would like to add a link in the description, please copy the example below. Change the destination URL to the URL you would like to link to, and change Click Here to the text you would like to appear. You may also add a coordinator email that will appear on the form so parents can contact the coordinator if they have any questions. Once you are done, click Save and Continue. Now you may add survey questions by clicking the button in the bottom right-hand corner. You may choose the question type, including drop-down, which means users can only choose one answer, checkbox, which allows them to choose multiple answers, single-line text for short answers, and paragraph text for long answers. You may always add more options to the multiple choice survey questions. Keep in mind that the form is still in draft mode, and you may publish when you are ready by clicking Manage this form and Manage Publishing. Users must log in to be eligible to fill out the survey form. You may see the user perspective of the survey form here. When the survey is done, you can click Manage Form, Report, and View Survey Form Report to view all of the responses. If you need to delete the survey, click Manage this form, Delete Form, and please note that deleting survey form will cause all of the survey data to also be deleted permanently. To proceed, please type delete in the input box and click the Confirm Delete button. Thank you for watching, and please shoot us an email if you have any questions at info@ptboard.com.